Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Mesha. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can customize your smartphone's keyboard in order for you to type very fast. You might not understand, so let me take you to my phone and show you. Alright guys, so I have fixing plenty shortcuts into my keyboard. Let me show you one or two examples. Alright, so in case I want to chat someone good morning, I won't type this long message. My shortcut is GM. You see there is a pop-up text over here. I'll just click on it and then send it. I want to ask, how are you doing please? The shortcut is HW. Just click on it and then send it. You see how amazing and simple it is? I hope you'd love to learn this method. So let me show you, starting with iPhone users. Okay, so with iPhone users, the process is quite simple. Just follow these steps. Step 1, click on settings. Scroll down and click on general. After that, scroll down and click on keyboard. Look for text replacement and click on it. Yes, so all these are the shortcuts that I've been using recently. So we are going to create our own shortcut right now. And if you want to do so, you see there is a plus sign at the right top corner of your phone. Just click on it. Yes, we have freeze and shortcuts. Freeze and shortcuts. Okay, so the freeze is what will pop up after you type in the shortcut. Yes, so let's add one or two shortcuts right now. Okay, so the first one is my Gmail. Okay, I'm coming to add my Gmail right now. So take note over here with the shortcuts. Don't use the words already in the English dictionary, like the words we normally use. Okay, so just use 2 or 3 letters for your shortcut to make things simple. Okay, so my Gmail, I'll make it Boateng Gmail. Boateng Gmail, okay, BGM. So I'll just type my Gmail over here.
So go to stop it up. Or I'm going to shut it be this guy there.
Okay, yes, I'll just type my Gmail over here. Then I'll just save it. Yes, so let me add another one, which is my full name. Okay, full name. So the shortcut will be FN. To make things simple, it will be just FN. Okay, then I'll just type my full name here. Then I'll save it. Okay, so let me add another one. Okay, just another one. Yes, which is if I want to greet someone good afternoon. Yes, so that one I'll do it GA for good afternoon. Okay, GA for good afternoon. Then the freeze will be good, and I'll save it. All right. Okay, so let's try this. Let's try it right now. Okay, so I'm filling the form and they are requiring my full name. Okay, I'll just type FN. My name will pop up. Boom, I'm good to go. Okay, and I want to greet someone good afternoon. I won't type this long message, just GA good afternoon, then send it. You see how simple and amazing it is? Okay guys, so Android users, don't be left out. This method also works for you, so let me show you how.
Okay, so with the Android users, the process is quite simple. Just follow these steps. Step 1, click on settings, then search for keyboard over here. Then you click on physical keyboard. Then you click on personal dictionary right here. Okay, so let's add one or two examples. So I'm come to add the Ghana city symbol. Okay, so the shortcut will be CD. Then I'll paste my Ghana cities over here. So with Android phone, they don't have the save button. So if you are done, you just have to go back. Yes, then it will be saved. Okay, let me add one more. I'm going to add good night in case you want to chat someone good night. The shortcut will be GN for good night. Then you just type good night.
Mistake. Hold on.
Then just go back, then it should be saved. Yes.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And if this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video because there are great content coming your way. Thank you.